How you doing, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back, and I'm saying here in the building. You know what time it is. 2007 Toyota Camry. But if you have a 2007, between 2007 and 2009, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do the AC in this baby, okay? Summer is hot, summer is coming. You know what it is. This will be the high port. And this one right here is the low port. This is the engine bay. It's right here next to the radiator. Now, alternator. My bad. Sometimes these little things, it depends on the design, the car, and all that. You can change that thing, that valve, you can change it. But this one is not bad. I mean, so far, I didn't even connect the machine yet though, but we're about to find out the pressure and how much is in the system, in the AC system. So come with me, I'll show you how to do this, how to refill the AC system between 2007 and 2009 Toyota Camry. Stay tuned. These are the hoses that you connect to those ports that I just showed you. This is the high, the red one. This is the low, okay? Hey, but before I jump into the action, you know what to do with that subscribe button, right? Subscribe, like, share, comment, anything you want to say, put in the comment box. You know what time it is. The way you can support the channel is right here. Super thanks. Look like heart. Click on that. Go through it. Show your love. Do your thing over there. If you want to see the tools that I use for this job, you can see it right here. You have up to 30 items per video. Okay, so you see what I use, like a rag, brake cleaner, a freon. You can get the freon on your auto part store. Yeah, you're gonna see like a beer, snacks, soda, water, knee pad, whatever you need for this, you're gonna see it right here. What it says, View Products. Shout outs to everybody in the building, from Japan to Philippines, Taiwan, Peru, Brazil, Argentina, the States, Canada, UK, Italy, Greece, Russia, Croatia. I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's do this, okay? Hey, the support goes towards better equipment, okay? Just so you know. Let's do this. I'm not gonna turn it on though, but let me explain you this. Okay, what you're gonna do is turn this knob all the way counterclockwise, of course, to the left, and then once it's all the way to the left, and you see the port right there, pull it, put it in, let it go, wiggle it a little bit to see if it's secure, and then turn it clockwise to secure it. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. Right here, just gonna put it right there. Let me give you a better. Pull this up, push it down, wiggle it, let it down, pull it up, it's secure, good. Now turn it clockwise. Okay, do the same with the low port, right, which is the blue one. Okay, in this case, that's the one over there. Turn the knob counterclockwise all the way. Okay, good. Over here, do the same. Make sure to secure. Turn it clockwise to secure it. Pull it again just to make sure. Okay, it's Gucci. Now here, where the magic happens. I'm gonna turn it on. Cool tech, you see. All right. When you connect the hoses, you see the pressure. Okay, that's the low, high. Okay, that's what we got. All right. Now we're gonna recover whatever it is in the system. Press recover. You'll see that equalizing pressure. Please wait. Clear in progress. Press start to skip. Yeah. Recovery in progress. All right. So I don't know how much is in there though. So this thing is gonna tell me. All right. The needle is gonna go all the way to 0. Now let me tell you this though. See, people having doubts about, oh, what should I do? Go to my local auto party store and get the freon, the little bottle, and just connect it to the AC system in my car and do it by myself? or pay $100. It's between $80 and $120 for do it with the machine. See, the thing is, with the little bottles, with the little cans, you really don't know how much left is in your car. But with the machine, you know. With the machine, you do a better job because you can overfill it with the little can, and you don't want to do that. So instead of that, invest some money in your car. But sometimes when you overfill it, it's kind of like a 50-50 thing. So you have to be very careful when you do the can freon thing. Okay? It's like $50. The $50 between 40 and 50, depending on the brand. But be careful with that. Might as well put another 50 and do it with the machine. Tell your mechanic to hook you up, do it right, because that compressor, that line could pop when you use a little can. And every time you do this, even if you do it with a little can, use eye protection. I'm pro. You always be careful with these things. Don't put your eye right there where the hose is or the port is. Careful with that. Yeah, pretty much. Yo, but if you have more questions about this, just put it in the comment box. Let me know. Yeah. Now this is what I got so far. 0.62 ounces. This thing do pounds, as you can see. Okay, and that's what we're gonna do. Other than that, let me tell you where you can find how much freon you have to put in the system. Now you come over here. Come over here. I'll give you some light. This system is the HFC134A. Okay, it says right there. All right. There's a new system, which is the 1234. This is the 134. The newer cars are using the 1234. Okay, just so you know. And it tells you right here, max 1.21 pounds, 1 pound and 21 ounces. The minimum 0.99, which is 1 pound. That's how you can tell how much freon you have to put in your system. Now this machine, since it's a little bit old, when you see zero, then it'll reach the zero, then it's all good. This thing is gonna be jumping like back and forward. It's gonna go 74, 73, 75, 76. You see? If you see this, just stop it. All right. So Gucci, that's how much, not this one, the previous, 0.76. That's what we got from the system. Now we're gonna charge it. First charge. It has oil though, but we didn't do vacuum, which is this. Vacuum collects everything that is in the system. For cover, it only takes the freon, okay? Only the freon, that's it. Vacuum means when you open the system, you know what I'm saying, when you replace the compressor and the humidity of the air goes in, and that's when you do the vacuum, okay? But we didn't open the system, we Gucci. So it doesn't need oil. I'm gonna put no. It tells you how much. It was what? One something? You don't remember? Go back to this. 1.21. Come over here. Put a 1.21. Start. Charge in progress. I'm saying. It's gonna tell you right there. The needle's gonna go up. Okay. If there's a leak in the system, you're gonna hear psss. And if you hear that, you just have to stop it right away. Just stop it so you don't waste the freon and you don't damage the atmosphere. But if you don't hear this, then you're Gucci. I don't hear anything, we're good. You reach the 1 pound and 21 ounces. Equalized hoses, I don't need that. We're Gucci. Okay, and that's it. What you gotta do now is come over here, turn it counterclockwise, pull it up. It's gonna be some pressure, okay? But you Gucci though. I'm gonna do the same here, counterclockwise. Okay, pull it up. Good. So you come here where everything is beautiful. Let's start the car. We're gonna see if we get some AC. By the way, this beautiful car has 223,000 miles, and going. Okay, so here I'm gonna put AC. This one. Uh, uh, there you go. Feel it. Oh, good, gee. And when you step on the gas pedal, it comes cooler because you put in the compressor to work. Now you feel it. Everything is Gucci. All right. And that's it. Enjoy your freon this summer. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy it like I did. Shout outs to everybody in the building. Thank you for the love. Thank you for support. I said that in the beginning. I'm gonna say it again. Support the channel over here. Super tense. It's a heart. Click on that. Go through it. Show your love to your thing. You want to see the items that I use, things that I use for this video? Over here it says view product. You're gonna have up to 30 items. Okay. Right there, you're gonna see beer, soda, snacks, water, energy drinks, rag, hand cleaners, everything. Gloves, eye protection. You're gonna see all that in the list, more or less. Shout outs to everybody. Thank you, the subscribers, the viewers, the haters too. I love you. Whatever you're doing is working. Thank you. Appreciate it. Subscribe, like, share, comment. You want me to reach more people? Share the video. Anything you want to say about this car or whatever, put in the comment box. You want to hate, you want to be sarcastic, you want to be funny, anything, I take all that. They call me Donald Trump with pirates. I'm not going to hold you up. See me in the next one. Yeah. Clocking out. Out.